What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So it is Friday. CTI is tomorrow. We here got the trailer. We're gonna load up the truck, guys, and the tires and everything. So let me show you guys what we got done. All right, guys, truck's right here, ready to go. We got the burner. We got another two burners. We got another two burners over there. So yeah, guys, let's get it loaded, get it ready to go. I still gotta put this sticker on. I got a new sticker. We're gonna take all that off and then put the new sticker on. So yeah, guys, let's get it. An issue. Can't go forward more to open it?
You're too fat. You can't even get all there. You're gonna fuck up the bumper.
Hopefully it don't rain. What is up, guys? We're on our second pit stop. We're filling up the truck. We just let it hit half a tank and fill it back up. I think it's more efficient that way. Just my idea. But de la mamalona. So some of you guys didn't see it. I don't know if we recorded earlier. So it's really low and it hits here. So I got the window cracked open just enough so I could put the window back down and hop in there. But it started raining, guys. Fucking sucks. It started raining on the way over here, and then we got a little bit of water going through there, but nothing too bad, guys. So yeah, right now we're filling up and then hitting the road again. We're 3 hours in. We need 3 more hours to go. And yeah, guys, we're just keeping you posted once we get there. We're gonna get there around like 10 o'clock, so just go straight to the line and crash there for it, because you guys go to CTI, the line always gets packed and we're trying to get a good spot in there, guys. So yeah, let's get it. What is up, you guys? We're out here. What is this? They were in Santa Monica, so we stopped by to Leo's Tacos. Aquí está la mamá whisk. Sheesh. We're about to grill up on some food, guys, because we are hungry and it is already really late. Todavía nos queda una hora de camino to get over there, but yeah, guys, let's eat some food and see what's up, guys. Let's get it. Ahora sí, guys, vamos a echar taquito. Ahí nomás para que se den un quemón. Those tacos, best tacos del pastor. Shout out to the boy Pedro. He's the one that got me into this spot right here. Fire. Mira. Mamalón, guys. Provechito a todos los que no han comido y los que van a comer. Mamalón. Shout out to George.
Comida.
Ay, tío.
Ah, no mames, esta más no me aguanta.
Trae hambre el muñeco. No, ya que te caben las fries, vas a valer madre más con la silla. Bye, guys. Vamos a dar recio a los taquitos y we'll hit the road again. Alright, guys. So we already ate. Pretty full. Well, I didn't have time to move the tank over on to the top of the bed. The truck is very low, and when you're doing burnouts and stuff like that and popping tires, there's a possibility that the truck is gonna sit on the gas tank and we might rip it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna put very little gas just to get me through the show for the first burnouts, and then whatever else, if I do need more gas, I'm gonna fill this one up and have it as a reserve just to be safe. But so we were gonna put gas here. LA, they locked the pumps up. So but yeah, guys, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and fill that one up just enough so it gets running to the show, and fill this one up to the top. So if we do need more gas, we could go ahead and pump it in there at the show. But yeah, guys, let's get this. We made it, guys. Estamos aquí en la fila. There's a couple trucks already lined up. ¿Qué onda con él? George and Berguisa, cuz está la tow pig, always coming in handy, nunca se raja. Y ahí está la Smurf, ready to go, guys. Ya me dan ganas de prenderla ahorita, estar ahí de Tlacuache, pero hay que guardarla para el show, ¿Qué o no? Estamos aquí mero, mira. So we're not in a bad spot at all. Aquí andamos, guys. Mira este güey. Ah, me verga, donde se andaba estampando el viejo. God damn. Alright, guys. Probably take a little nap. And then pick it up once the trucks start moving and stuff. We'll start recording and everything. We're just gonna set everything up how we want it to go. We're gonna test out the 360 camera, where we want to mount it at, the best placement for you guys to get a good view of us going in and doing our Tlacuache shit. So yeah, guys, let's set that up, and then we'll see you guys once they start moving in the line. What is up, you guys? We're back at it right here. We're finally inside. Truck's unloaded. We got the burners. Truck's ready to go. About to fuck some shit up, guys. You already know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Tenemos acá el George. Got everything ready, my boy?
The line, güey.
Huh?
The line.
Oh, look at the line, guys, all the way over there. We got lucky, and we got the same spot as last time, just a little more this way, just because George's crew is right here, or the other chapters of his crew are right here. So you know, we came alone, and I want to take him in the truck so we can fuck shit up inside, and they can take care of the stuff. But yeah, guys, you know, it looks a little empty, but once the trucks start coming inside, it's gonna be packed, guys. Aquí andamos. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're gonna get the truck washed.
No, yeah,
I did wash it before we got here or whatever, but it did rain and stuff, and then George wants to go in with a clean truck. So we got the boy right here. ¿Cómo se llama tu business, viejón?
Rinse and shine.
Rinse and Shine right here. Hit him up in the LA area.
OC, all over.
Yes, sir. We're gonna get down right now. You guys gonna see the wash go down, tires shiny tall. It's gonna look like a brand new truck, guys. All for you guys, all for the content. Aquí trae todo el setup el viejón, era. Qué volada. I don't even think it's my truck. The cleaning came out. Look at that. Jeez.
That's pretty clean.
Plastics, everything taken care of.
Next year, hopefully.
Yeah, no, if I'm in here, bro, I'll do it again.
Yeah, I'll bring you. You'll see both of them together.
If I'm in here, I'll do it too. If I'm not in here, I'll do it outside. on fire or what? You on fire? Hey, you're drunk. You're on the rim too. Back, you're on the rim. So hit it hard, hit it hard. You're on rim on the left tire. You gotta push it. Ready up? Keep going, boss, keep going. Close to the yellow right here. Yes, sir.
This is the aftermath. We popped both tires, yes sir. The truck overheated. Did catch on fire a little bit, but it's all good. We're just gonna let it cool down real quick. Take the hood off, and we're gonna go ahead and put it back inside. Put the other burners on there. And hot. We did blow this hose right here somewhere. Oh no, it just overheated. So we're gonna let it cool down. Put water in it. Let it cool down by itself. It did catch on fire a little bit on here, but that's because, if you guys can see right there, freaking los cables were touching. But as I told you guys last time, save your guys' wires for situations like this. I have a good set of wires in the truck, ready to slap on and drive it out of here.
I don't want to strip the thing.
Yes, sir. So we'll be back in a little bit. this is it for today. We came, we conquered, we blew 2 set of tires. We're going back on the Steelies. Truck caught on fire. We blew the radiator, but we still went in anyway. Truck's still running fine. It's a nice day. Look at that little sun coming in. So yeah guys, like, share, subscribe, comment down below what you guys think and liked about the video. And see you guys on the next one.